Our family of 4 has really enjoyed our medium baskets that we've been getting every week. They've been insanely large this year, which is amazing. So we've been doing all kinds of recipes and cooking as a family. And that's just one of the perks of being a member of the CSA here. It's also been extremely important for me to walk around the farm and show the kids where their vegetables come from and all the work that goes into it. So we've really enjoyed being here, and we look forward to being here next year as well.
So many reasons to love the CSA here. First of all, it's organic. Second of all, we get choices about what we put in our basket, which is not always the case. I just love that flexibility. I love what these wonderful new farmers are doing. Sort of young and hip people starting to farm, and everything about it is wonderful.
The Ottawa Farm Fresh CSA has the option to substitute if you don't like a particular vegetable, and it also offers a mini package, which is great for 1 or 2 people, and that is why I chose to join this CSA.
J'adore le produit, c'est toujours frais, il y a une belle variété. On peut faire on peut choisir ce qu'on veut, c'est pas comme le panier traditionnel. En tout cas, le produit est frais, c'est excellent. Je vous invite de vous joindre au groupe pour l'hiver. Moi, ça va faire mon 2e hiver et puis j'adore.